Hi guys, oh my gosh, the camera is blurry. I'm sorry for that. Oh my gosh, thanks Natalia and y'all. Welcome. Oh, well, speaking of Natalia and y'all, welcome back to another one. Subscribe if you're new, like this video, and tell me about my pink highlight in my hair. I mean, I pranked Barbie with it, and she said that I could keep it, which is the best news I've heard because I could keep it. And that video of pranking Barbie, I asked Mal if I could do that. It is a parental permission I got. Well, not a cousin permission got. Alright, but today I've got some slime. You know, the slime that Natalia Dindal made. This is the only slime we have. And it's a very nice consistency, as you can see. Right? It is very sweet. I decided to do a slime video, but why not? We dolls do slime videos. But I did them to get more subscribers. That's what we do these videos for you guys and for subscribers, right? So if you're new, subscribe, like the video, tell us in the comments video ideas, or we'll just come up with our own, because I came up with this video by my own, and I told Barbie, and she said how she would assist me in preparing for the video. Yeah. So like the slime is in my box, on my shelf, in a box, and Barbie asked Ken to take it down, and Ken took it down, and I got this, and everything that I do on this channel is permission, except, yeah, well, the videos too, the normal videos too, are parental permission. Look at this rose. It is gorgeous. I made a rose out of slime. Like, that is a big achievement for me because normally, look at it. So beautiful. Normally when I do the rose part in the slime, well, I never tried it. So I would never know unless you try it. So you guys like consistencies. How I know most people like the slime because of its consistency and how it looks, and they recommend it. I'm bored of sitting down. I'd rather be a stand-up person. You know how those, you see, some of my videos will be this orange background here on the wall here because, like, I don't want to do no thinking about waste cleaning. Yeah. So slime is a beautiful consistency, as you can see. Sometimes I put slime on my face. It feels so good. Yeah. Line down here. Now, guys, I have to tell you something. Requested videos will be done, but not right away. We have to plan how we're doing the videos, and then we will react to your one. And I think another video I might do a swimming video, like, or hop in this thing, but I need something to cork it down and all of that. So you guys, continue watching, right? Now, okay, subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe if you're new, like if you're new, and comment something really nice if you're new. Alright? Because we will leave the haters home. Bye, guys. Peace out.